In this video, we will show you how to use the search facility in Organise, and there are quite a few ways you can search in the program. When you come into the program, click on Explorer, and in the top left-hand corner of the folder hierarchy panel, you will find our quick find search. We want to find Adams S, so we type this into the field, and as we have typed in the full client ID, the program will take us straight to that client. Now we go back to Explorer to refresh the screen, and by taking the S out of the search field, we will get a different result. Clicking the Find button, the search will go through the complete database, finding every instance of the word Adams. In this case, when we click on the Find button, it will take us to Mr. Adams, and then a second click to the company dimensions, where if we click on the Properties icon, it will bring up the folder Properties panel, where you will see in the Attributes list a tag denoting that the company has been tagged to the Adams Group, indicating Mr. Adams has ownership in the company. As we have tagged the company, we would be able to go in and do a tag search and find everything connected to the company. By continuing to click the Find button, we will continue to find every incidence of the word Adams in the database. When we reach the end of our search, a small panel will come up telling us we have reached the end of our search. We will refresh the folder at this point and go back to our quick find and click on the drop-down box where you will see all the clients you've searched for today. They will remain on this list until you shut down your computer at the end of your day. This feature is very helpful as you can go back to any of the clients instantly and look for their files. There is also an option to set the system to only search by an exact match, which some users prefer. If this is set, the full client ID has to be inserted before a client can be found. Again, we will refresh the database by clicking on the Explore icon on your top toolbar. Then go to your Outlook icon on your bottom toolbar to bring up Outlook, where you can select the appropriate email. Then you highlight the client's email address and press Ctrl plus F11, and you will be taken straight to that client. On the Properties list, in the Attributes panel, the email address is always tagged to that folder, so we can always find our client via the email address. Another way of finding a client, which is quite clever, is by, in this case, entering S underscore in the quick find field, as this is the beginning of his email address. You will then be taken direct to the client. As you can see, the quick find facility is the best way to locate your client and their files.